Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. Observe the design carefully. So first of all, change the rectangular snap into isometric snap. Go to object snap settings, snap and grid, isometric snap. Okay. One may observe the snap grid lines are changed. This is the ISO left. So we'll start from here 60. Make sure that ortho is on while you are drawing 60. Value is 60. Okay. From 60, what is the value here? Backside 40. And what is the bottom here? What is the distance? 20. In this direction 20. Here 12. Backside total distance is 20 plus 40, 60. 60 minus 12 is 48. Bottom, what will be the distance here? Total 20. 60 minus total 40. No, 28. If you draw all the remaining dimensions exactly, then the resultant will be the correct one. Okay. So this is the, I am taking this as midpoint. Use the command ellipse. Ellipse. ISO circle. Here, what is the radius of that circle? 20. 40 diameter. Okay. Trim the unwanted portions. Okay. Then again repeat that ellipse. Repeat reset input ellipse. ISO circle. What is the circle radius? 8. Okay. Similarly, if I move in this direction, in this direction, what will be the distance? Change the direction 40, 20, 40, 20, and again back side 12. So we have drawn this one, and the entire this dome shape web is there on other side also. So what we will do, we'll use the command copy, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge, enter. From here, the direction, in this direction, what is the direction? 12. And next one, we can move, then use the command copy again, copy, enter. In one direction, and the second one is the second extreme point. So we have drawn all the basic things. So to join these edges, we have to use the O-snap setting. In that, diamond will be there. Join diamond to diamond. Trim the unwanted portions. Trim the unwanted portions to get the image clearly. While you are drawing the image, one should take care of the trimming carefully. Diamond to diamond. Trim. This portion I don't need. This one also 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 I don't need. We can if it is there also, it's no problem. We can change it later on to center line. Okay. So we have to copy this circle also, ellipse also. Copy, select that circle, iso circle. In this direction, what is the value? Total 12 plus 16, 28. 28. Trim the unwanted portions. Unwanted portions. We have completed this shape, both this shape. Well, now we have to check this shape. How we are going to draw. So I'm using this ellipse. Ellipse. This is my center point. Ellipse. Iso circle. This is my center point. What is the radius of the circle? 40. 40 diameter is 20. So trim the unwanted portions. Unwanted portions. Similarly, again use the command ellipse, iso circle. This is my center point. What is the radius of the circle? 8. Diameter 16. So copy this entire web. Modify. Copy. Enter. Change the direction. F5. Okay. Now same procedure. Join diamond to diamond. Okay. Zoom it out. Trim the unwanted portions so that we will have a better visibility. This web thickness will be there, no problem. You can remove. Later on, we can, if it is there also, it no problem. Okay, we have drawn all the shapes. We have to check this shape also. What is the thickness? What is the distance? F5. That direction, what is the value? 40. Line 40. Okay. Use the command ellipse. Use the command ellipse. In that, go to iso circle. This is my center point. What is the radius of the circle? 20. Okay. Now trim the unwanted portions. This one we don't need. This one also we don't need. This one also we don't need. This one also we don't need. Okay. Then what we have to do? Again, use the command copy. This is my curve. From here to change the direction for smooth. Okay. Trim the unwanted portions. Zoom it out and please check the dimension. Then how we have to join both these? Object snap setting, a diamond to diamond we have to add. Trim unwanted portions. Okay, this one we don't need. This one we have to draw as another ellipse. Ellipse. Iso circle. F5. 8. TR double enter. Okay. Convert these lines, what we have done, into center lines. And for that, go to properties toolbar, bilayer, center. Okay. Okay, that will be imported here in the properties toolbar. 1K observe. Observe, select these lines, apply the center line. Center. Similarly, circle, apply the center. So there is no problem when you are drawing all the if you untrim also, you can convert those lines into center lines. Okay, now give the dimensions. Dimensions are very important. Dimension linear from here to the dimensions, aligned dimensions from here to here. What is the value? 40. Dimension, aligned dimension from here to here. What is the value? 37. No. From here to here, what is the dimension? 40. Somewhere we have wrongly selected that one. That's why it came like that. Align from here to here. 20. Aligned from here to here. 16. Dimension. Aligned 16. Similarly, dimensions aligned 12. Dimension aligned. There are so many dimensions for the given sketch, right? Dimension linear from here to 60. So change the dimensions into oblique form. We have already discussed how it is. Dimension oblique. Select that object distance along the length. Same direction it has given. Dimension oblique. Enter 16. Okay. Dimension oblique. Enter in this direction. What is the value? 40. Okay. Similarly, dimension oblique. Enter 16. 16 is the value. Right. Similarly, dimension oblique. Enter along this length. Similarly, dimensions, all dimensions we have completed. Please check each and everything whether they are marked properly or not. This one is 12. Dimension oblique. Enter along this length. Along this length. Okay. In this fashion, we have completed the sketch with required dimensions. Thank you.